welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 14, Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 Ultimate Guide promo video. So we're going to add more engagement to the promo video that we have already made, which I've already made, and I'm giving to you to improve. Okay, so what I want to do is we're going to go to LearnTechProjectFiles.com. We're going to click on Adobe After Effects 2022 projects. Right here, you can see the directory right there. We're going to click on project number 14, download the file, and then I want to go to After Effects and get everything set up. So I'm going to go to the home page, click on New Project. I'm going to do File, Save As, and we're going to label this. We're going to go to Projects, and I'm going to create a new folder calling this 14, project number 14. Okay, and then we'll do Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 Ultimate Guide with a capital G. We'll create that. There we go. I'm going to right click, rename it, copy it with Command C on the Mac, Control C on the PC, and inside of here I want to label the untitled project number 14, project number 14, Adobe Premiere Pro Ultimate Guide. Okay, we'll save that. Go back to Firefox. Let's go to our downloads. Grab the project file that we downloaded, number 14. We'll bring that over to projects, and then we'll go here, and I'll double click on it to uncompress the file, and then we'll look at the source files that we have. So we have benefits, what you'll learn, introduction, students, requirements, thank you, and the promo video itself. So again, I was talking about this in project 13. We want to keep the promo video as simplistic as possible. So when I scrub through and you see, and I'm going to mute the speakers, make sure they're muted. When we go and we look at this promo video, I'm going to scrub through and kind of talk about what I did when I made it and how we can improve it even more. So let me right click on the project panel. We're going to import a file. We're going to go to number 14 and then the folder here and grab all the files that we've downloaded, hit open, and then we'll bring the promo video to the composition. Then I'm going to scrub through so you can see we have a thumbnail here, and when I scrub forward to about 10 seconds, then we get the introduction. Okay, then from there we learn about all the stuff that we're going to learn with Creative Cloud, like setting up an account, working with the web app, and installing Premiere Pro, and then we talk about the welcome page, right? Then we talk about the what's new, okay, and so on and so forth. So I can scrub all the way through, and we have about a minute and 28 seconds, okay, with the logo, then the thumbnail, okay, which is a good way to end the promo video, okay, and then we have all the content in between. So really what we can do is similar to what we did in the previous video, which is bringing in the lower thirds, but positioned in a different way, okay? So the introduction, we could put that in here if we want, which we will, okay? And I'm going to shrink this down quite a bit. Okay, and what I can do is I can put it up here, and I'm going to do something I haven't been doing the whole time, which is shrinking down the graphic a little bit. So we can do introduction here. Okay, and what that does is it doesn't make it over the top in terms of size. Okay, so now we have introduction that looks really clean and simple, and with enough time on there, we can literally add kind of a cool effect, which you know what it is. I love to do dissolves. So we're going to set the opacity to 0. And this time I'm going to have it be a little bit longer. So we'll set it to 100%. Okay, so I'll play this. And I think that's a little too long, so we'll shrink it up a little bit. There we go. So we have introduction. We'll take it to about 15 seconds. And then we'll pause it. Okay. And I'm noticing that my computer's starting to kind of freeze. So if there's a little bit of lag, that's why. Okay, I'm just letting you know as I'm recording this what's going on. But you can see we have an introduction there, and then we jump cut out, And then at about 20 seconds, we can do benefits and do the same thing in terms of size and position. So I'll grab benefits, we'll put that here. And if we overlap it with introduction, we can shrink this down quite a bit. And it's about the same size. Then we can scrub to about 20 seconds and then bring it back from here to about 25 and then adjust the opacity on layer 1. Go to transform opacity, set it to 0, and then scrub forward a little bit and then put it to 100%. Okay. And make sure that we don't have any white space on the left. We want it to be clean. So that's just the outline of the selection tool. So when you select it, it has the outline. So not to confuse it with that. Now you can see it's right on the edge of the screen there. So if I hit play, we can see what the effect looks like. Very clean. And then it just jump cuts out, which again is fine. You have a smooth transition in and then a jump cut out. That's perfectly fine. Okay. So then we have what you'll learn. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll kind of expand this out to 30 seconds. And then right at that point, we'll shrink this down, holding shift, and then I'll just kind of wing it in terms of where I want it to be. It doesn't need to be exact for this example because you can put it wherever you want. There's not really, it has to be here, you know. I'll set the transform opacity to 0. Try that again. I accidentally highlighted these. Give me 1 second. There we go. I'm trying not to touch the keyboard because what happens is when I touch my keypad here for the numbers, I start erasing the whole recording that I'm doing. So I have to be very on top of it. Okay, so let's see what the effect looks like. So when I hit play, what you'll learn, there you go. And then I'll cut from there. We'll do a jump cut. There you go. So what you'll learn shows up real quick, jump cuts out. Okay. Again, this is a fast-paced promo. So we don't want it to be like, hey, welcome to the promo video and whatever. No, I want to get right to the point and show you what you're going to learn. Okay. So it has to be that the pace is fast-paced. So let's go to 35 seconds. And then I'll trim this down to 40 seconds. So it's about 5 seconds long. And again, we'll shrink this down, holding shift to keep the aspect ratio. And then I'll bring it over here. Okay, and then we'll adjust the opacity. And we'll set it to 0. And then we'll skip ahead a little bit, turning it back up to 100%. And then I'll let it go for a little bit, and then I'll cut it out. And then let's see how that looks. Beautiful. Okay, so again, my computer's lagging, so I'm going to wrap this up, which I was going to do anyway, but if on the video it's skipping, that's why. Okay, so we'll do requirements at 40 seconds. And let me save this file, just so we make sure we save. And let's bring that in. We'll trim that down to here, and then down to 45 seconds. And then we'll shrink this down to about there, and then I'll bring it over, eyeballing it to get it to about where it needs to be. And then we can set the opacity to 0 with a keyframe. Then I can scrub ahead and set the opacity to 100%. And then we'll scrub ahead a little bit more and then cut this down. Okay, then we'll play it. Beautiful. I like the fast pace. And then the jump cut. Okay, I like that. We're getting better. Then we're going to bring in thank you. So I want to see where the thumbnail pops up. About right there. So we can put thank you here if we want. Let's put it about right here. Okay, so again, we'll just have it kind of pop in real quick and then jump cut out. So let's shrink this down. Keep it to 5 seconds. And I'm going to trim that. But we'll grab this, hold shift, bring it down, and then slap it over here. And then I'll adjust the opacity with a keyframe, setting it to 0. I'll scrub ahead, and then I'll set the opacity to 100%. And then we'll scrub ahead a little bit more, and then trim it down. And jump cut out. So I'll set it here, I'll hit play, just so we can see it. There you go, smooth transition in, and then jump cut out. Beautiful. Then we should get the thumbnail soon, right there. So we can move this down if we want to about right where the thumbnail is going to pop up. Okay, just so it fits the timeline. Jump cut out, then we get the thumbnail. So there you go. That's essentially how you add a minimal effect to your video by not overdoing it. Because again, you don't want to add a lot of graphics to your stuff. You want to add it where it needs it, but not overdo it. Okay? Don't underdo it either. Just get the right balance with it. Okay? Have fun with it. I have a lot of fun doing this with you. I absolutely love After Effects. I've been using After Effects for 20 years, Photoshop for 20 years, Premiere Pro for 20 years. Don't make me feel old. And so I really like using this and helping you learn After Effects. So I hope you enjoyed this project. I really enjoyed bringing it to you. And there's more on the way. So get excited. We're going to have fun and keep learning. Okay? So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.